Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In case you're meeting me for the very first time, or in case you've forgotten my name, I'm Masika Rani, a Kenyan content creator based in Nairobi, Kenya. I mostly deal with house documentaries, which most of you refer to as house tours. But we've added another segment of Airbnb. I'm your plug. I'm the newest plug in town. Yes, please allow me to take you through this 4-bedroom Airbnb that you'll have for 4,500 per night or 105,000 per month. Fully furnished. Imagine that. Fully furnished. Guys, I did not mention. Allow me to mention, I love the seats. Please allow me to mention. Let me tell you, this carpet is giving you very good experience. Come get your experience. I mean, yes, we've got you covered. It's a 4-bedroom. You can come with your friends. You can come with family. You know, we allow up to a maximum of 8 people. But in case you guys are 9, come let's talk. I'll leave my number so you guys can call me. When it comes to quality time, table manners, you know, we don't compromise. We have our dining area over there, and it's just next to our water dispenser because hydrating is key. I love the fact that this house is so spacious. So when you come with your family, when you come with your friends, be sure you feel at home away from home. Our kitchen is well equipped. Yes, please. Well equipped. Everything you need, we got you covered. Tell me why you can't book with us. Just tell me why. You don't have a reason. I know. We have our washing area and we have our washing machine. As in, you don't have to hustle. Yes, please. And in case you don't need for now, refer your friend, you know. Yeah. And we have this room it's a 4-bedroom. Yeah. So, right after our kitchen, you see the dining is there. We have this room here. Let me first of all show you before we proceed. We have this room of us here. Yes, and it's Ensuite. Imagine that. Yeah, and it's not the master bedroom. Allow me to take you to the master bedroom. 4,500 per night. Tell me. And I forgot to mention, it's 20 minutes drive away from JKIA Airport, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, Nairobi, Kenya. 20 minutes drive away. We also 5 minutes drive away from the SGR at the river Terminus. Yes. We have our walking closet over there. And we get you covered in terms of ironing your clothes. Yeah? We just need you. We just need you. Come spend quality time in our rooms. So yes, this is our master bedroom. When it comes to the quality of the bed, mattress, the beddings, we don't compromise. We don't compromise. Yes, we want you to have the best experience of your life. Lighting, we don't have, actually, we don't have electricity right now. And you can imagine, the lighting in this room, it's just wow. Our closet, when you come as a family, you're not coming here to struggle. No. No. Tumekutolea hiyo hustle yote. Tell me who doesn't like white beddings? Who on earth? Yeah, so from our master bedroom, let me take you to the other 2 bedrooms. You remember we saw the first room there next to our kitchen. yes, we have this other room. I like the beddings. I mean, oh, you're not coming here to suffer. Our service is top notch. Top notch. See? Imagine you friend here. You best friend here. Sorry. Our closets. You're not coming here to struggle on having your clothes on the floor. No. As in, you have all the reasons to book with us as compared to booking in a hotel. Yeah, you'll have a quality time of your life, you know. Then the 2 bedrooms, this bedroom and this other bedroom, please, you'll share this washroom, okay? Please, you just share this washroom, and we have our sink there and our washroom there. Basically nothing much. Yeah, we got you covered. You even have the option to chill over here like I am, and just look at it, man. 4,500 per night. Just call me. I'm 1 call away. Thank you. You guys miss out on something? In case you have a question, ask on the comment section. My number is 0703 607686, 0703 607686. You'll talk to Masikarani herself, not even her manager. No, I'm just kidding. My people, did I mention that our kitchen is so spacious and fully equipped? Did I mention that? And I forgot to mention that we have free parking, good security. Yani, in Kenya we say security ni tight. Yes. Ask in case you have a concern. Maybe you've been to other Airbnb and you've had maybe a bad experience in terms of something. Ask. It's your right to have the assurance, okay? So ask, I'll be sure to answer you, okay? Yes, just tell me why you can't book with us, huh? Come experience. Refer your friends, tell them. In case they are looking for an Airbnb, they should check Masikarani's channel, or rather call Masikarani and ask, Masi, I'm looking for this ABC house. Where can I get it? And my budget is DEF. Okay? So guys, until next time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yes, because we are on road to 20,000 subscribers by grace. Yes. And this is just by the beginning. We'll grow. We are growing. Thank you. Bye.